Hello friends, let us learn in this video how to draw an altitude on each side of a triangle from its opposite vertex. Let us begin. We will take a triangle ABC. So first we are choosing vertex A, so its opposite side is BC. So we have to draw perpendicular from point A to side BC. I hope you remember how to construct perpendicular from a point given outside the line. Same construction method you have to use here. So we will take rounder, in that we will fix pencil and the radius such that when we will draw an arc from vertex A, it will intersect its opposite side BC at two distinct points. See like this. Name these two points as P and Q. So we know that now the arc intersecting side BC at point P and Q. Now from point P we will draw arc with the help of rounder by keeping its nail at point P towards downside. You can take radius more than half of the length of segment PQ. I hope you got segment PQ more than half of its length. First arc, the same radius in the rounder and keep the pointer at point Q and draw another arc. Clear? So these two arcs are intersecting at point R. Now you can join point R with A. So this AR ray is perpendicular on side BC at point D, because you will find that ray AR is intersecting side BC at point D. When I said perpendicular, so we have to indicate that with a perpendicular symbol. Now your AR is not an altitude, your AD is an altitude. So what we can say, segment AD is an altitude of triangle ABC from vertex A to side BC. Clear? Let us see the same way for side AC from vertex B. Yes, again we will do the same method what we have done from A. We'll fix up the radius in the rounder. From point B we will cut the arc which will intersect side BC at 2 point, and from the intersecting point to side AC we will draw arc on the other side. So we got our line here. Clear? The same method. So we will name the point E where BE is intersecting side AC. So at point E we have perpendicular. Got it? So what we can say, segment BE is an altitude of triangle ABC from vertex B to side AC. Same method we're going to repeat from point C. The arc will be drawn and then the smaller arc will be drawn and then the line will be drawn which will intersect side AB at point F. So we can say that CF is an altitude of triangle ABC from vertex C to side AB. You will find that all the three altitudes, that is AD, CF and BE, are intersecting at one point. Let the triangle be of any kind, they will intersect at one point which is named as point O, and point O is known as orthocenter. point O is known as orthocenter of a triangle. Clear? I hope you have understood. If you like, please share with your friends. See you with the next video.